Welcome back. Today we have the LG VN280 Extravert 2 for Verizon Page Plus Red Pocket. You can put it on Straight Talk. It is a 3G only phone. You do not need a data plan with this device. However, since it's 3G, Verizon Page Plus, Red Pocket, Straight Talk, and so on will only activate this until December 31st, 2018, due to them switching over to the 4G and then the 5G network eventually when it's available across the whole United States. Now, let me take the back off. It takes a regular standard battery. It's the BL40MN battery, and it just activates by serial number. Let me just put the battery in, hit the end key, and watch this sucker power on. Nice, lightweight. If you don't want to activate it right away, just hit the end key. It'll go to your standard home screen. It's got a nice, vibrant screen. You flip open the keyboard and it'll change position from vertical to horizontal. It's great for texting, good for the kids, maybe great for the seniors alike. And you can put up to 12 media files up in here to have quick access to your photos, videos, and your music clips. And that's it. It only has the one additional screen. You tap the 4 dots and you're going to get all your little apps. Now, how many apps can you get? It only goes to the Verizon App Store and not the Google Play Store, so the apps are somewhat limited, and the internet, you would have to have a data plan. It does have mobile email, which I like. Like I said, if you're not going to use it, have a data plan on here, but you can still check your emails, which is nice. And it does have good call quality, and it will speak out your text messages and also take voice commands while you're driving. Like, you would hit the voice command button and say something like call home, and it would do that for you. So there you have it, the LG V as in Victor, N as in Nancy 280 Extravert 2. Thanks for watching, and be so kind to hit subscribe below and like the video. Have a great day.